Hello, good morning mga kabayan. Ayan. Today is September 26, Saturday, 7 o'clock in the morning. Ngayon, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, sa mga nakarang pagbablog ko na every Saturday nagpupunta ako sa church. Ayan. Muli ako maglalakbay. Tumawag na ako ng Uber. Kasi, kagaya ng sinabi sa inyo, wala pa rin akong sasakyan hanggang ngayon. Pero okay lang. Hindi naman problema sa akin yun. Ang importante ay makasamba ako. Kaya samahan nyo ako at tuloy natin yung pagbablog sa pamamagitan ng paglalakbay natin sa Uber. Ang gagawin ko lang naman, mag-video ako dun eh. Bibidyohan ko ulit yung tanawin kung saan kami dumadaan. At sana mapanood nyo yung video ko at okay magsasawa na araw-araw ganito ang aking vlog. Kasi lagi ko rin naman sinasabi sa inyo na habang nandito ako sa UK, patuloy akong gagawa ng vlog yung sa araw-araw na aking buhay, no? At medyo pipilitin ko makagawa ng mga ibang vlog na halimbawa baka kasi yung pinanonood yung vlog ko nagkasawa agad kayo kasi nga ganito lang, nag-video lang ako tapos yan, naglalakbay, di ba? Nagbabiyahe. Kasi ito lang naman kasi ginagawa ko dito, kaya ito yung nagagawa kong video. Sana pag napanood niyo yung mga videos ko na iba, mag-like lang kayo sa akin, okay na. Kahit masaya na ako ron. At dumami lang yung views ko, okay na. Kung wala pang subscriber, di maghintay na lang ako. Pero mas maganda sana kung mag-subscribe kayo sa akin para masaya. Para lagi tayong mag-videos yung araw-araw na ginagawa ko dito sa UK. Ito na. Dito na ata yung Salamat. Sakay na ako mga kabayan. Morning. Robert. Yeah. Flaxhole, right? Thank you. Dito na ako sa taxi. Sa Uber pala. Nag-alakbay na kami. Yan. Tignan natin kung ilang minutes yung biyahe papunta ron sa Flaxhole. Medyo yung ngayon yung klima ngayon medyo madilim yung langit ngayon, pero okay lang. Ganito talaga ang climate dito sa UK. Maaga pa lang ngayon kaya walang gaanong tao sa kalsada. Saka Sabado ngayon, yung mga tao nasa bahay nila ngayon kasi day off. Dito ako mga kabayan. Naglalakbay na ako. Ganito palagi pag araw ng Sabado. Yan. Sumasakay ako ng Uber. Pero pwede rin naman ako sumakay ng bus kasi may bus station dyan sa labas diyan paglabas ng tirahan namin. Kasi matagal paghintay ng biyahe. Aabutin kasi minsan ng 30 minutes. Hindi gaya sa Uber. Mabilis, sandali lang. Pagsakay mo ng Uber, makakapunta ka na agad sa pupuntahan mo. Kaya ganito ginagawa ko tuwing araw ng Sabado pag sumasamba ko. Yan. Kung napapanood mo ito kabayan, maraming salamat na pinanonood mo yung videos ko. Kasi kumbaga first time ko lang kasi mag-vlog, pero marami na ako mga videos na upload. Kasi siguro kung yung mga videos na kayo napapanood na medyo hindi minsan nagkakamali ako ng mga salita. Natural na lang yun yung talaga yung videos ko. Kaya ganon. Kaya yan, nandito ako sa loob ng Uber ngayon at safety tayo kasi hindi ito gaya ng Uber sa Pilipinas na pwede ka nilang hold upin, hindi, walang ganun dito kasi nakamonitor sila sa sa government, may video, kaya tingnan natin ulit yung kalsada. Tara. Mabilis yung andar kaya mabilis yung video. Yan nakikita nyo mga kabayan. Kaya pag napanood nyo ito, mabilis yung andar. At saka walang traffic dito. Mabilis pag sa umaga ka nagbiyahe, walang traffic. My friend, you're living in UK? You have a long time here in UK? You are living here long time?
I was born here.
I'm only, my friend, I'm only here, new here in UK,
Oh, you're new here?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I was born here.
You were born here?
Yeah,
so you speak good English?
yeah. I went to school here, so yeah.
So, now you have already your family? I mean, your wife, guys,
yeah. My parents, mom and dad, they from Kashmir. Pakistan, Kashmir.
You're good in English. Your language is like British.
I born here.
Yeah.
I went to school in England. I born here. Yeah. So that's why English easy.
You're very good in English. Yeah. But I'm happy, I'm happy for you because you're good in English.
You're
some India. You're India, right?
No, Pakistan.
But see, I have some friends Pakistan before when I was in Papua New Guinea before.
Yeah.
When I was in Papua, maybe small Pakistan only there because there is all black people.
Yeah.
So when I met one Pakistan there, it's very hard for him to speak English.
Yeah.
But you, I don't know, you're very good really because you school here, right?
Yeah, I born here.
You school.
Yeah. It makes it easier because you.
So before, my friend, before you're working Uber, so what is your job?
Bank, Lloyd's Bank. I still have a job there. I just take break.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on sabbatical from there.
What is good when you are when you are born in UK? What is good is that you can go anywhere. I mean, the job you can find anywhere. What job you like, you can stop another job. You can go another job.
Yeah, I think language makes it easier to.
Yeah, you only break today.
Yeah, it makes it really easy.
Yeah.
You can go into whatever you want.
Yeah.
You work hard. You understand the language. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Are you from the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm from the Philippines. You know my friend. What's your good name again?
Rahil.
Rajiv.
Rahil.
Rahid, you know my friend Rahid. It's very hard to go here in UK. I promise, it's very hard here.
Yeah.
I think before we in the Philippines before we go here in the UK, we need to take some examination.
English tests.
Yeah, we are Filipino. We are 4 Filipinos supposed to be coming here, but 3 Filipinos back out, 1 Filipino back out, and the other one failed in the exam.
Your English is very good as well.
I don't know because I didn't finish college, but when I was in high school.
Yeah.
I go to private school before, so that's why.
Yeah. English is really good for someone who's recently.
Thank you very much. But if I'm not good in English, how can I come here to UK? It's very hard. Really, so
Making it more and more difficult.
Filipinos, plenty Filipinos pass in the employer.
Yeah.
Plenty, maybe hundreds of Filipinos. But the problem, when taking now the examination that is now the problem. Because, we are taking 4 tests. English, reading, writing, and speaking.
4 tests.
So you need to get 4. Band of 4. They call it band 4. That means to say, you need to get at least 4.
Yeah.
In every test you need to get 4, but for example you get in 3 tests you get 4, but in 1 test you get 3.5. Not you are not passing UK. You need to take the exam again.
Exam again, yeah.
That's why, you know, I'm old enough to go here because I'm almost 50 plus years old.
Oh, you don't look 50.
And but I'm happy because I was able to come here in UK.
Yeah. Do you have any family here, friends?
No, I'm only one.
Oh, you okay, one?
Because maybe if I'm still here for 5 years or 6 years, 7 years.
Yeah.
But at that time I'm already like 58 years old maybe. Because yung my face look like young but I'm already old.
Yeah, you look young. Yeah.
But I need, if I take my family, it's different, you know. If I, no, my children are already big, all.
Oh, they're all big.
Yeah,
They're all
my youngest is 20, I think 24 years old, 23.
Oh, wow.
My youngest.
Yeah.
My eldest is 36.
Oh.
So I can only get my wife, not my kids, because according to the rules of UK, below 18 you can get, below 18.
Okay.
But over 18,
You can't.
you can't. Yeah, you know what I mean.
That's a shame.
So maybe if I'm still lucky here to work for more than 5 years, then. But you know the expenses, you know the
It's
payment.
Very expensive, yeah.
I think 3,000 pounds for getting your wife. It's big money.
More. It costs.
More, yeah.
But it's more expensive now.
You know why? You ask me why?
Why?
Because of the illegal migrants.
Yes.
Because the government they giving migrant hotel, so all the people's working in UK with a legal job, the government take the taxes.
Yeah.
then they gave it to the illegal migrant people, you know.
Yeah.
So that's why in the London today is plenty protest. Too many people there are making rally because they want to stop the illegal migrants.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's why sometimes our bills, our expenses in our homes, in our daily everyday life, our expenses when we buy to the supermarket. Like you in Uber, there's a tax here, you know?
Yeah. Tax for this as well, yes.
Yeah. But anyway, you were born here, no problem. But you don't like, I mean, your family or I mean your grandma is there in the Pakistan?
Yeah.
Sometimes you go to the Pakistan. I mean,
We go I used to go every 2 years.
every 3 years.
After every 2 years, go for like 4 or 5 weeks.
Rahid, why long? 3 years? Not only 1 year. I think.
It's been 3 years now. This time 3 years. I maybe go this month. Maybe go next year.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, go.
Maybe your grandma, I mean, they miss you. Your relatives.
Yeah.
they miss you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My father wants to go back because his mom's still alive. My grandma's still alive.
She.
Yeah, in Pakistan. She's really old, but she wants to see my children. So hopefully get to take
Amazing. You speak really like British accent. You're Pakistan, but your language is like nice. How you talk is nice, very nice.
What is the Philippines like? Is it a beautiful country?
Hoy,
I was meant to go this year, but I think I'm going to. My friend is
in the Philippines.
married to a Philippine girl.
Really?
Next year, I think.
You like to some like traveling in the Philippines?
Yeah, I've been to Vietnam, Thailand, Bali.
Ah.
I've not been to Philippines yet.
You're traveling everywhere.
I try to. It's nice to travel, explore. I want to go Philippines as well. Is it nice?
Yeah, the Philippines. What I can only say to you, in the Philippines, so many beach there.
Yeah.
Beach.
It looks beautiful,
You don't forget the name Boracay.
What name?
Boracay.
Boracay. Okay.
All if you go there, all English people is there.
Oh, Boracay.
Yeah. Nice beach. There's also casino. Don't play casino because your money will lose.
Yeah, lose money too much.
I'm in the post, that car, in the right side, that car there in the post. Yeah, that car, that's Ford.
The Ford.
Yeah, that is the house there.
Oh, this one here.
Thank you, Rahid. I'll give you after I give you 5.
No worries. Thank you.
Okay,
It's lovely speaking to you.
okay, thank
Best
you.
luck with everything.
Because I have meet friend like you. You're good in English. I don't know. You're Pakistan. How you speak?
Hopefully you as well soon. Very soon. You speak with no English accent as well.
Yeah. It's possible to get your number.
Yeah.
Become I mean, okay. Do you have pen there?
Yeah, I'll write it down. Is it a Philippine international number or?
No, I mean your number
UK
here.
Yeah, you can. What is it?
You want my number here?
Yeah.
My number is here in UK 07349
Yeah.
997
997.
946. Send me a message now. Hi. Ako biskol kay.
See, come.
Wait a minute. I check. Yan mga kaibigan. Nag-usap kami. At hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi nag-uusap kami tungkol sa trabaho nga. Yung bago ako bumaba. Sabi niya, sige, pasok kita ng trabaho. Pasok daw niya ako ng Uber. Yun ang pag-usapan namin kaya na-stop yung ko. Kasi minis-call niya ako kinuha niya yung number ko. Yan. Maganda rin kasi mga kabayan, meron tayong nagiging kaibigan na foreigner. Siya nga pala, dito na ako sa bahay, di ba kanina? Bumaba na ako. Ito, nandito na ako sa bahay nila. At muli akong sasabay sa kanila sa Ay, wala na pala sasakyan dito. Nabenta na mga kabayan. Dati may nakaparada dito ng sasakyan Honda. Ayan, nabenta na. Ibig sabihin kasi nakaparada na yung kotseng pula na nangungupahan kila Kapred yan. Yung kotseng pula na yan, nangungupahan kila Kapred yan. Yan. Hindi, mabuti naman. At lumugluwag na yung ibig sabihin, kasi Kapred talaga mapagbigay kasi itong sasakyan niya. Yan, mga kabayan, siguro hanggang dito na lang. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Sana enjoy niyo yung paglalakbay ko, yung pagbabiyahe ko sa Uber. Huwag sana kayo magsasawa, lagi niyo ako susuportahan. At alam ko wala pa nakakapanood ng channel ko Marami na ako na-upload na videos Pero sana alam ko balang araw may manonood din dyan. Sige, hanggang dito na lang. Good morning sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. Next time mag-video suli ako. Tingnan ko kung mag-video suli ako dito sa motorway. Kasi may mga dalawang beses na akong video sa motorway. Kada Sabado pagsamba, nag-video ko. Good morning, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye-bye.